Guys, so we're here at our yacht club. That's our yacht. Pinapark lang namin yan. Tapos ito yung may-ari ng half. Yan. Yun guys, magpapagas muna kami.
Kalo, oy, oy!
Kalo! Good morning guys. Today is Friday. I'm going to vlog today because Clarisse is coming in my house. She's gonna park her car here and we're going to eat like lunch, like just brunch. We're gonna catch up. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do today. Anyway, I did this pink pop of color like in the inner corner, and I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know, I'm not used to it for this like puff of inner corner look, but I actually like it. Like it's pink. I used the Maybelline Limited Grace palette for like the pink one. I don't know what's the shade of it, but yeah. And then using the Born This Way foundation and like the KKW concealer, the Maybelline contour and bronzer, and then Jovia's Place blush, and then for my lips is the Kylie Cosmetics Shook liquid lipstick, and then I tap off with the Dose of Color over the top lip gloss. So that's, and also the Amrizi highlighter for my highlight. So that's that. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm gonna just get dressed and I'll show you my outfit, or probably later. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten breakfast, so that's why we're gonna do brunch. I told her don't eat, so we can just eat at the, we're planning to eat at the Outback. So I will talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so I just back up my car so she can just park her car right across our house, and I'm gonna be driving for today's vlog since she's coming here. So I'm gonna be the one who's gonna drive. So yeah, I'm really hungry. I think she's almost here, probably like 20 minutes more, because I think I'm like 50 something minutes away from her house, like the distance. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. And look at this guys, this is from Forever 21. I look like whatchamacallit, like a dog. It has this type of necklace. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Guys, after 48 years she is here already. She's gonna try to park her car over there, so my husband and my my husband can just easily go. But yeah, she's finally here. Guys, she's coming. Hold on. Oh my goodness, look at her. Look at me. Look at her. Outback. We're here at Outback and we're just waiting for our food. Guys, we have Caesar salad and potato soup and crab legs.
It's the same.
Be, ano yan? I-describe mo nga yan.
Guys, ito yung pamalo pag naglalaba. Yung hindi mo makusot na pants. Palo-palo, babe.
Ay, oh, palo-palo. Yan, this one right here. Okay guys, that's our steak. Right there. Yun guys, magpapagas muna kami. And we are going to Solomon's Island to take,
We're hungry.
Pictures. We were hungry and now we're full.
Yeah.
Then after that we're going to Solomon's Island, right across bridge right there. Take pictures and then go back to Bed Bath and Body. Guys, so we're here at our yacht club. That's our yacht. Pinapark lang namin yan. Tapos ito yung may-ari ng half. Yan. So we're just casually visiting our yacht. You know, yacht?
Yeah, yacht.
Yan. May ano dito yung mga crab. Tapos ito, ibibenta to namin, half dito, ibibenta to namin kasi pagod na kasi kami guys. Ibibenta namin yan, 1.5 million. Guys, so that's one of our yacht. We have like 200 of them over there as well. Just kidding. So we're here, we're just gonna take cute pictures because it's still sunny, so it's much better to take pictures while it's still sunny. We're just casually taking pictures. Tapos, si Kuya, yung nagbabantay sa yate namin. Nandyan. Joke lang. Tingnan natin.
Ang ganda ng kuha mo sa akin, oh.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Mahangin lang. Lang guys.
Kaya palang pangit ng yate mo, ikaw pala yan eh.
Punta tayo sa ano guys, sa kabila. Para wala tayong disturbo doon. May disturbo kasi kami kanina. So, punta kami sa kabila. Take pictures. Hey guys, so we're here at Bath and Body Works. I'm going to get some lotion and perfume so I can send it to my sister and Mariela. So, where's the cucumber one? They have a lot of lotion here. They have buy 3 get 3 free, so I might try to get that one right there. What is this? They have this at the beach. They have papaya. They have the mist right here, pink coconut mist. Also have the roses. Oh, this is the one that I like. Okay, so I'm gonna get 3 mist right there and some lotion. Look at guys, they have candles as well. All 3 wick candles for $10 off. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm getting 3 lotions and 3 body mist for my sister. GoPro Hero 7.
Bili na ba?
They have 107. What's the difference between white and the black one?
Well, you have to figure out.
This $399.
Ano nila?
Di ba may GoPro kayo?
Meron kaming GoPro Hero 1.
See, this is 179 and that's the white one. I don't understand why this is cheap and this
Maybe
is expensive.
because of the screen. Look at that. Look at that.
Ah, okay, okay, I got it. Okay, that's the GoPro Hero 7.
Yeah, babe. Size screen.
Because I have to, bibilhin ko to sa ano ko eh. Bibigay ko sa ate ko.
Wala tong tinginan ng ilang minutes na record mo, but ito meron.
Ah!
Yes?
Okay, I got it, I got it. Okay. Tumingin si ate. Oh, babe, tingnan mo. Bibili siya ng ano guys, magdo-drone na po siya.
Kailangan license yan eh.
Oo, kailangan kang license if you're gonna fly a drone here in the US. Okay, ma'ams. Ma'ams, sirs, maluoy mo, ma'am.
Kaloy, oy!
Magdali, kuya. Uy, dugay-dugay lagi niya siya. Hi, ate girl!
Just the other day I was out in Miami. Got the Lolo on the perk, Lolo on the bunny. Standing up in the town, I ain't chitty chatty. Got some real pretty titties in the eye. Never need a sugar daddy. I'm the belle of the ball, you can call me Patty. I blow bitches, but of course I'm the quickest. Mortal Kombat.
Ninja Nikki, Ninja Clarisse! Ito yung ano, diba, before? Yung uso sa atin. Mga picture. Mga gano'n na guys, oh.
Okay guys, so I have to go back. I literally just got home and now I have to go back because my handsome husband just now letting me know that he needs something at the grocery store. So Clarisse is over there. He's still at the house because his car's over there. I think she's coming now. So yeah, I have to go back all the way back, but it's okay because it's just like 10 minutes or 15 minutes drive, like the Walmart. So anyway, I have to go back and get some groceries that he needs at the store. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. So yeah, I have to go back there. And then I'm gonna, oh my goodness, because I was about to close the vlog now, right here, right now, and then I have to go back to the store. So that's a lot of drive. That's a lot of driving. So okay, let me talk to you guys later. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm here at Walmart, right there. So I'm just gonna go head to Walmart. Since I'm here already, I'm gonna get some vitamins for my sister since I forgot about that also. So all right, so I'm gonna vlog inside of Walmart. Well, I'm gonna try to vlog inside of Walmart. If not, then I'm just gonna show you what I got at home. Okay guys, so I'm here at Walmart already, and I'm picking up some makeup for my sister and my friends, and also some vitamins right there. And I'm at this aisle. I'm looking for like a coffee brew, like to brew a coffee. There, I'm looking for that Keurig. I don't know where that at, but let's see. I'm also gonna buy the bag for my sister, you guys. I took a picture and I let her pick which color, and she picked up pink, so that's where I'm heading. Okay guys, so I'm here at the bag aisle, and this is what I picked for my sister since she likes the pink color. And they also have more bags here. I'm looking for bags for my brother as well as my nephew. So hold on. And they have like a lot of clearance, so that's really good. And they have this pouches. Okay guys, so I'm already in my car. I'm just hitting up my car before I go. Anyway, I got the vitamins and makeup. You'll see it later. I'm gonna do a haul, and I think I'm actually gonna do a what's on my balikbayan box video, which is gonna be a separate video if you want me to do that. But if not, that's fine, because I'm still gonna do it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Now I'm going home finally, so I can just take off my makeup and everything, so I can show you what I got, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm finally home. I'm just gonna do another haul for like the balikbayan box later, or like in another separate video like I said earlier. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to subscribe to Clarrise channel as well. I'll leave the link down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.